Good morning, guys. It is above freezing at wake up time. I can't even believe it. Oh, things are looking up. Happy Tuesday. Have a good one. It's coffee time. Here comes the sun. Doo doo doo. I want you to look. Be free, buddy. Turned out to be a beautiful day. I decided on my way to the mailbox I was going to pick up broken glass. Get it in the one icicle hanging on. Driveway's blocked. It's a tree parade. He didn't even throw no candy. There, he run off and left me in the truck. Told me I needed to walk it. Kissed me right back. Aunt Marie, you remember that year we went up to the cemetery in the back of the truck, me and you and Mom? Memorial Day, boy, that was funny. Well, I don't think I've laughed that hard since. I think you got hit with every tree limb on the way up that mountain.